Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So I'm back out here in the neighborhood of Heartland Bay by DR Horton. Now, we had the opportunity to film this one. So if you guys want to come back and take a look at this one, I want to know what your thoughts are about this property. Now with DR Horton, they're only building spec homes at this time, which means they build it. You don't really have too much of an option to pick and choose from. Now this is the 1795 model. Okay, features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage, and the price on here pretty fascinating. $406,000. So you can see we got a keypad here. We have the Sky Bell. And I'm gonna make my way inside. So one thing I've noticed as I come in, the living area is kind of like tucked away over in this corner. You're just greeted by these stairs off to the right. But let's take a look. Okay. Oh, it's pretty open for me. Yeah, it's a pretty open floor plan. Not bad. Now remember, for me, these are going to be more of a starter home than anything, okay? So, where do we want to start? Let's look at this kitchen. You know what? Let's first start off with here. One thing I've noticed as we come in, this door is only 6'8" on the door, okay? We do have 9-foot ceilings, orange peel texture with the bullnose, standard casings. You do have 18 by 18 porcelain tile, okay? We do have our half bath here. Not bad. Alright, so let's take a look at this living room. Number one thing I noticed is that the doors are very low. These are the 6 by 6. But it actually kind of matches all the way across, so it's not bad. I love the fact that this is open. So we have a island here with the second option of the granite countertops. Now they do have another selection that you can pick with the granite countertops. Now one thing I want to mention with DR Horton, because they already do the spec on these homes, so it means that you don't pick the options. However, there are some builders, or actually there's going to be more builders doing this more and more, and the reason why is because of the shortage of the inventory. So what builders are now doing is speccing out the home in advance because they're pulling the permits in advance. So that way they can sell more homes. And a lot of people are going towards more homes because of the rate buy downs and the incentives that are getting, right? Because if you look right now, rates are at 6.75%, but with these builders, they're doing a lot of buy downs. They're getting it under 5%, which is, I'm sorry, not under 5%, under 6%. So you're hovering around that 5. So that would be the benefit for the new homes, right? But my point that I was going to make with you is that, look, if you guys are actually interested in like buying a home, like a brand new home, and you guys want to purchase something like this, I have established a relationship with a lot of these sales agents, and they're the ones that kind of spec everything out. So let's say if there's something that's coming up and I know it's coming up and you're serious about it, what I will do is I will get a head start on it, right? Get it spec'd out in advance and have that agent pick out those options. So that way, when that time comes, it gets released, you already have your options already picked out, or majority of your options. So that's a benefit that you have with me. Also, there's no charge whatsoever. So hopefully, that shows you the value of hiring me. So we have some dovetails. Love the fact that I'm playing some local music right now from Hawaii. To shout out to all my local people. We have 36 on the cabinets here. Okay. You got the Whirlpool packaged appliances. Here we have the 2-car garage that takes us out to the sales office. Oh, I might get a coffee. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sneak and get a coffee. Don't tell nobody. I'm gonna get a coffee. Hold on. I'm gonna put this down for a second, guys. Okay, I do apologize. I mean, it's 120 degrees, and I want to drink a coffee, which is, I don't know why, but lately I have been drinking coffee, and I'm not a coffee drinker, but now I am. You know what? I'm gonna keep it. I want to keep it strong. There we go. Okay. One thing I noticed here is that, look at this. You know what this is? That is the stairs. Okay. That's how tight this home is. Let's take a look at. Oh, we have storage. Smart panel box right there. I don't know if I showed you guys the dishwasher here. Haven't talked about this for some time. Make sure the dishwasher, his appliances are not covered over the builder. Make sure to scan this QR code right here. You got the serial number. Go to the website manufacturer. Get that registered right away, so that way you have your warranties covered. Last thing I want to talk about is the windows. Okay, windows, depending on which manufacturer company that they go through, you may have 3, 5, 10-year warranty. Also, if there's any scratches by the time you close, make sure to get all that negotiated all up front, because once that is done, you're done. Now, they do make certain type of films that go on the glass to block the heat. However, that could also void your warranty, so just keep that in mind. Let's take a look at our pantry. So this is our pantry. Oh, you know what? Actually, I might like this model better, because you can utilize this as your pantry. Come over here. Make that your pantry too as well. Now, let's go upstairs. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that coffee smells good. All right, making my way upstairs. Hiking it up, baby. And I remember I used to hike up these stairs before. I used to burn out. So it looks like we got the primary here, laundry room here, bedroom. Okay. Be nice if this was a railing here all the way across. Let's start off on this side. Work our way around. Subfloors are a little bit squeaky, so that's something you guys definitely need to check. Now, these are all just standard rooms. I'm not too enthused about it because I've seen so many homes. But what I do is I like the price, okay? Coax cable here. So your TV is designated here. We have one light here. You could possibly hang a ceiling fan, but you got to check the rating on that. And another thing I want you guys to do is check the corners, okay, of the walls, because a lot of times the walls are not straight, especially at this price point, because when they shim the walls, the guys are not shimming it correctly, okay? And I'm not saying it's the builder, it's the contractor. It's the trades that come in. But, you know, it's really important to have the right superintendent that manages the project, because they overlook and they shadow all the work, and they do like quality controls. Now, there's some builders that have systems in place that are great. Some of them are not as great. And I don't want to throw builders under the bus, but these are also Fortune 500 companies where you have some builders, they're literally building over 1,200 homes a year here in Vegas. And that's a lot of homes, because, you know, this is a corporate 500 company, but then you have more of a smaller builder where they're only doing like 250 homes, but they're more for customer service based and they do more quality work, okay? If you guys want to know who that is, give me a call. Oh, we got a podcast studio going on here. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Let me show you the community here. Look at the mountains. Gorgeous. I remember there's nothing over here. Over there, I don't know if you guys see those light poles way over there. That's all Bureau of Land Management over there. They're about to build another school over here too as well. Now let's go take a look at the primary. Oh, before we do that, Let's come into the laundry room. 18 by 18 porcelain tile. Now if you notice, this looks exactly the same like the other house that we toured. Now it just comes down to the floor plan. Which floor plan is better? And I'm thinking, I'm liking this one better, guys. I really do. And this is a lot more affordable than the other one. Okay. We have our 2 sinks on the side here. Very unique. You have the door. Takes you into the closet. Shower is just like very narrow. But remember folks, for me this is more of a starter home than anything. It's not a home that you're going to be living in forever. Then eventually you'll probably just take this home and start renting it out. Taking the income from this home, you're going to apply it towards your debt to income ratio, which means you'll qualify for more money. And this is the power of leverage. I can tell the subfloors are not straight just by walking on it. Alright guys, the question now is, which home is better? I'm gonna come back out here to the street here. I gotta go back in and get my coffee, but I wanted your opinion. Do you guys like the 1865 or the 1795? Alright guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.